Imagine looking back 5 years from now and realizing that your biggest financial loss wasn't caused by a stock market crash. It wasn't inflation. It wasn't a recession. It wasn't even a bad investment. It was one simple mistake you didn't even realize you were making. Every year, millions of people enter the stock market hoping to build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and retire early. Yet most investors never reach those goals, not because they aren't smart enough, but because they repeat the same costly mistakes over and over again. In today's video, we're going to uncover the biggest investing mistakes people are making in 2026 and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. Because successful investing isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about avoiding the mistakes that everyone else keeps making. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, chasing the hottest trend. Every year, there's something everyone believes will make them rich overnight. A few years ago it was meme stocks. Then NFTs. Then AI stocks. Then crypto. Today, it's whatever everyone on social media claims is the next big thing. Here's the problem. By the time your taxi driver, your coworker, and every influencer on TikTok are talking about an investment, you're probably late. That doesn't mean great companies can't continue growing. It simply means buying something only because everyone else is buying it is not a strategy. Instead of asking, what is everyone buying? Ask, would I still buy this investment if nobody was talking about it? Successful investors buy based on research, not hype. Mistake number 2, trying to get rich quickly. Social media has created unrealistic expectations. People see headlines like, I turned $500 into $100,000. I became a millionaire before 30. My portfolio doubled in 6 months. What you rarely see are the thousands of failed attempts behind those success stories. Real wealth usually grows slowly. It grows through consistency. Monthly investing. Patience. Compound interest. Imagine planting a tree. You wouldn't dig it up every week to check if it's growing. You water it. Protect it. Wait. Your investments work the same way. The biggest fortunes weren't built overnight. They were built over decades. Mistake number 3, investing without a plan. Many people invest like they're shopping. One day they buy technology stocks. The next week they buy gold. Then crypto. Then dividend stocks. Then something they saw on YouTube. Without a plan, every market movement feels like a crisis. Before investing a single dollar, ask yourself, why am I investing? Retirement? Buying a house? Financial freedom? Building wealth for my children? Your goals determine your strategy. A good investment plan removes emotion from decision-making. Mistake number 4, letting fear control every decision. Markets rise. Markets fall. That's normal. But every time prices drop, many investors panic. They sell everything. Then they wait. Months later, when prices recover, they buy again. This is exactly backwards. History has shown that some of the greatest buying opportunities happened when fear was highest. No one enjoys watching their portfolio decline. But volatility is not the enemy. Emotional decisions are. Mistake number 5, ignoring diversification. Imagine putting your entire life savings into one company. If that company succeeds, great. If it doesn't, your financial future could disappear overnight. Diversification isn't exciting. It won't make flashy headlines. But it protects you from catastrophic losses. Think of investing like building a sports team. You don't want 11 goalkeepers. You need balance. Different industries. Different assets. Different opportunities. Diversification won't eliminate risk. But it can help you survive the unexpected. Mistake number 6, trying to time the market. One of the most expensive sentences in investing is, "I'm waiting for the perfect time." The perfect time rarely exists. Nobody consistently predicts market tops. Nobody consistently predicts market bottoms. Even professional investors struggle. Instead of trying to time the market, spend time in the market. Invest regularly. Keep learning. Stay consistent. Time is often a more powerful tool than perfect timing. Mistake number 7, not continuing to learn. The financial world changes constantly. New technologies emerge. New industries grow. Economic conditions shift. If your investing knowledge stopped 5 years ago, your strategy might already be outdated. Read books. Listen to earnings calls. Follow respected investors. Question everything. Even this video. The best investors remain lifelong students. Bonus mistake, comparing yourself to others. This might be the biggest mistake of all. You see someone online making thousands of dollars every day. Another claims they retired at 35. Someone else says they found the next company that will increase 1000%. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's highlight reel. Investing isn't a race. It's a personal journey. Your goal isn't to become richer than your neighbor. Your goal is to become financially stronger than you were yesterday. Final thoughts. If you remember only one thing from today's video, let it be this: successful investing isn't about finding one magical stock. It's about building good habits. Avoiding emotional decisions. Staying patient. Continuing to learn. And allowing time to do what it has always done. Reward disciplined investors. The market will always have winners and losers. The difference is rarely intelligence. It's discipline. The people who build lasting wealth aren't usually the ones who chase every trend. They're the ones who keep investing, even when it's boring. Even when it's difficult. Even when nobody else believes in the future. Because they understand something that many people never do: money grows where patience lives. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Hustle and Harvest for more videos about investing, personal finance, and building long-term wealth. And I'd love to hear from you. Which investing mistake do you think is the most dangerous? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and keep harvesting your future.